Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the editor open and the alert box source selected. This gets you straight into configuration. First, confirm you're logged in and the scene contains the alert box. Once done, click the gear to open source settings and choose the alerts category. You want to be in the right panel before changing sounds. This reduces confusion and keeps workflow efficient. Next, navigate to the sound options for each event type, so you can replace the default clip with your custom file. Now you'll replace the audio. Select the specific event type such as follow or donation and choose custom sound. Click Upload or Browse, locate the MP3/WAV, and wait for the file to import. Streamlabs will show the file name when complete. Make sure to set the volume level so it's audible over music but not overpowering. Once uploaded, use the test button to preview the sound, and if needed, enable looping or trim the clip externally, then re-upload for precise timing. Save your settings, then immediately run the test for each event so you confirm the correct file plays at the right volume. Make sure to set cooldowns and priority rules to prevent overlapping alerts during spikes. If you stream with an audio monitor, route the alert box through the correct monitor device or your desktop audio. If something fails, check the mixer mute states and verify the file format and size. Converting to WAV often fixes compatibility issues. Try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.